If your Google Pixel 11 Pro does not ring when someone calls you, in order to fix this, you can open Settings on your phone. Now over here in Settings, you can go to Sound and Vibration, and over here you can check the ringtone volume or ring volume. So of course, if it's all the way to the left side, it means that the ringtone is completely muted, so you want to slide it over here to turn the ringtone volume back on. Now, this may happen when you activate the silent mode. So for example, if we open this media bar over here, media volume bar, then here at the top we can choose this bell. So if it's crossed out, you activate the silent mode, which of course turns off the ringtone. Now, in case the ring volume is fine, it's not disabled over here, and you still cannot hear the ringtone when someone calls you, then another thing that you can do is you can go to Modes in Settings, and what you can do here is you can check if you have the Not Disturb mode activated. So if it is enabled, then you will not hear the ringtone. So naturally, you just want to make sure that it is off. And keep in mind that there might be some sort of schedule created for DND mode by some apps. So in case later on the DND mode is reactivated, then you might want to check some of the apps that may activate the DND mode for you. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.